Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, November 27th, 1999, 8 am. There is a long way to go to arrive at where Francois is, but it is worthwhile. There are souls ready to be guided towards the final goal. It is easy, then, to co opt them so as to direct them more quickly to where they must go. At the beginning, there is sometimes a coincidence for some of them which can make it go faster, and moreover, God gives His grace where He wants with His own criteria which have nothing to do with those of humans. Yesterday was a beautiful day for you, my dear child. We know how much this information makes you happy. What is proposed to your son in heart also touches you. He will do a lot. He has the necessary means. His partner will assist him wonderfully. They form, the two of them, an efficient team. We have been keeping an eye on them for a long time. He has exactly the suitable profile for this action relating to the structuring of the mission on the world level, as he considers the various aspects that will make it completely in tune with future times. Spiritual life does not exclude an involvement in the material life, where millions of brothers and sisters are struggling. We will not be absent from the struggles that will be generated by the third millennium. Babuji. Saturday, November 27th, 1999, 10 am. You are serving us, my daughter, and we are satisfied. Have we not said it already? Do not always be in self-doubt like that. Because of it, you do not take into account some of the information about you. This information could be useful to you. Therefore, you should try to pay attention to it. My son's trips, in spite of his resulting tiredness, make us happy. They produce such an impact. The results of his work are increasingly powerful and far reaching. You should actually get accustomed to the fact that he cannot be physically present everywhere. It is up to you to go towards him insofar as you can possibly do it. Europe is vast and Sahaj Marg is expanding. It is in the nature of things. You must understand that he cannot satisfy everyone. France has been privileged for many years. My son has been coming toward you, and you do not always make the effort to travel towards him, even if you have good reasons for not doing so. You must understand his reasons. Physically, he is not a superman. He also has his own physical limitations. Do not worry. Wherever you may be in the world, you do not escape the vigilance of his spiritual power. Babuji.